Hello everybody, I hope you're doing fine. Today's session is on present perfect simple of the verb eat. Ko e kryerë thjesht e foljes me ngrënë, me hunger. I have eaten, un kam ngrënë, you have eaten, ti ke ngrënë, he has eaten, ai ka ngrënë, she has eaten, ajo ka ngrënë, we have eaten, ne kemi ngrënë, you have eaten, ju keni ngrënë, they have eaten, ata kanë ngrënë. Have I eaten? Yes, I have, or no, I haven't. Have you eaten? Has he eaten? Has she eaten? Has it eaten? Have we eaten? Have you eaten? Have they eaten? And as we have said before, the answers are yes or no. If we have yes, we have, we have subject and then have. If we have no, we have no, subject and then haven't. In the third form, however, on the third form, we have she has, or it has, or he has. And if it's negative, he hasn't, she hasn't, it hasn't. Let's continue. So, have I eaten? A kam ngrënë unë. Have you eaten? A ke ngrënë ti? Has he eaten? A ka ngrënë ai? Has she eaten? A ka ngrënë ajo? Has it eaten? A ka ngrënë ai, ajo, për kafshët? Have we eaten? A kemi ngrënë ne? Have you eaten? A keni ngrënë ju? Have they eaten? A kanë ngrënë ata. Negative is, as always, not. So I have not eaten, I haven't eaten, unë nuk kam ngrënë, you haven't eaten, ti nuk ke ngrënë, he hasn't eaten, ai nuk ka ngrënë, she hasn't eaten, ajo nuk ka ngrënë, it hasn't eaten, ai ajo për kafshët nuk ka ngrënë, we haven't eaten, ne nuk kemi ngrënë, you haven't eaten, ju nuk keni ngrënë, they haven't eaten, ato nuk kanë ngrënë. So this was today's session. Practice I have eaten or un kam ngrënë. Bye bye. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.